Quick check on the headlines. Sri Lanka presidential election race gets into a runoff. All contestants eliminated other than Anura Dissanayake and Sajith Premadasa. Dissanayake leading by 5% with a vote count of 39%. Sri Lanka Election Commission confirms second preference votes count.
China continues to behave aggressively, testing us all across the region. And it's true in the South China Sea, the East China Sea, South Asia, and the Taiwan Straits.
U.S. President Joe Biden clashes out a Chinese aggression across the Indo-Pacific, stresses the need for intense diplomacy in times of competition. Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah says the group launched rockets on an Israeli military complex in Haifa in North Israel as an initial response to the pager and walkie-talkie blasts. High alert sounded in northern Israel after Hezbollah fires over 1,000 missiles. Civil Defense Agency ordered all schools shut, activities barred at least till 6 p.m. on Monday. Voting begins in regional election in Germany's Brandenburg. This is a former communist state where the far-right AfD party is narrowly ahead in opinion polls and eyes victory. At least 51 people killed as a methane leak causes a blast at a coal mine in eastern Iran. Rescue operations underway as many miners remain trapped inside. After 2 months in office, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer's approval ratings slumped to their lowest ever, even below ratings of his predecessor Rishi Sunak. The poll comes on the eve of the Labour Party conference on Sunday, the first since they came to power.